St. Matthew 24 and 3. It says, As he sat upon the Mount of Olives, the disciples came unto him privately, saying, Tell us, when shall these things be? What shall be the sign of thy coming and of the end of the world? And Yahushua answered said unto them, Take heed that no man deceive you. For many shall come in my name, saying, I am the Hamashiach, shall deceive many. And ye shall hear wars and rumors of wars. See that ye be not troubled, for all these things must come to pass, but the end is not yet. For nations shall rise against nations, and kingdoms against kingdoms. And there shall be famines and pestilences, and earthquakes in diverse places. All these are the beginning of sorrows. And I want to start this video by giving infinite honor and praises and glory unto the Heavenly Father and the Son, Yahweh, Ba'ashem, Yahushua, Ba'ashem, Rakakwadash. And that's like to give the honors to our teachers, that apostles, that is a great millstone, GMS, who taught us 100% truth according to the Bible, who's been greatest to us in the faith. A double shalom, citation to the icon across the four winds, pushing his word, truth, faith, sincerity, also giving diligence, also making it calling. And unless you're sure, the scriptures say you should hear wars and rumors of war. I have an article that was just put up not too long ago. CNBC, it says Trump says Dictator T says Iran will be bombed at a much higher level if it doesn't agree to peace deals. And this is wars, rumors of wars. Okay. This is prophecy being fulfilled. And I want to get it in the NLT. It's the NLT version, St. Matthew 24. And I read verse 4. It says, St. Matthew 24 and 4. It says, and Yahushua told him, let anyone mislead you. Don't let anyone mislead you. For many will come in my name, claiming I am the Messiah. And they will deceive many. And we witnessing that, we seeing that, these false prophets, they out here, teaching lies, spewing out their madness. Okay. It says, and you will hear of wars, and threats of wars, but don't panic. She said you should hear wars and threats of war. Case in point, this article that I just got finished going into. So this is a threat coming from Trump, saying Iran will be bombed at a much higher level if it doesn't agree to peace deal. These are threats. All right, this is all war talk. This again prophecy being fulfilled. Wars, rumors of wars. Okay. Again, this is in the NLT again, Matthew 24 and 6, and you will hear of wars. It says, and you will hear of wars and threats of wars. Right, which we seen a lot of, hearing of wars on the news, different airstrikes are taking place as well. Okay, but don't panic. Yes, these things. It says, but yet these things must take place, but the end won't follow immediately. All right, because there's more things that have to happen. But the Lord said not to be panic. Don't panic. All right. He says, for nation will go to war against nations and kingdoms against kingdoms. That's right. There's going to be race wars, civil war, class wars, and there's going to be kingdoms against kingdom, World War III, which is what you've seen coming into play. Things are only going to heat up. Things are heating up, but things are only going to continue to heat up. Put it that way. These are the times that we're living in. And again, like I said, you're seeing World War III, being built up. and it's gonna go down soon. All right. Scriptures prophesied that there's going to be a third world war. Okay, and in Isaiah 9:5 says that this war is going to be with burning fuel fire. This war is going to be fought nuclear, and that fire ultimately is going to come from those missiles. But we know before it actually kicks off, that MOTB has to be mandated. That must take place and be fulfilled before World War III actually fully kicks off. But we are partially seeing World War III come to pass. Like I said, tensions are building up. Okay, and it says nations will go to war against nations, kingdoms kingdoms against kingdoms. There will be famines. The lack of food, shortage of food, bread, water, or limited access to. Okay, we seeing these things, and earthquakes in many parts of the world, but all this is only the first of the birth pains, and this is with many more to come, and earthquakes at an all-time high. Okay, all right. It was I want to say Nevada just got hit with an earthquake. The ground is ripping apart slowly. Okay, earthquakes also, a sign of the end, signs. The Lord told the disciples to look for. All right, signs that the Lord's getting ready to come. All right, Yahweh Shai is on his way. And many other signs that the Lord would show us in these times. All right, but, we seeing these things, we seeing these things happening, man. But like I said, man, things are only going to heat up. Okay, this World War III. Okay, these are the times that we're living in. All right, and like I said, things are only going to heat up. I want to give infinite honor, praises, and glory unto the Heavenly Father and Son, Yahweh Ba'ashem Yahushai. And double honor to our teachers, that apostles, that was a great millstone, GMS, who taught us the 100% truth according to the Bible, who's been great examples to us in the faith and double shalom, citation to the icons was a full witness, pushing his word, truth, faith, sincerity, also giving diligence, also making it calling, and election sure. Shalom.